Hi guys, this is Shivangi and welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this party makeup look. So if you don't know how I've created this, then keep on watching. For primer, I'll be using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know how, but this happened. For foundation, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. For concealer, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade Sand. If you have some acne scars and pigmentations, then put your concealer on top of them. I have sparse eyebrows, so I do that oftenly, but if you wanna skip that, then just brush your eyebrows and you're good to go. I'll be using Mars Contour Highlight Cream Palette for contouring my face. It feels literally so bad when your brush cannot take your desirable amount of product. And just for that, you have to dig your brush again and again. To set my entire face, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. I don't have any idea why my camera was shaking. So this orange shade will be my transition color. Okay, so here I'm taking some brown shade for outer corner, but this has no pigmentation at first, but after blending a lot, I just get some of that. Feeling that part 2 because I have so dry lips and it has cracked at that time. Giving life to my lips by adding some lip balm. Okay, so I'm taking some concealer on back of my hand and I cut my crease halfway through, but I really don't want that sharp edge. It should be more perfect, but never mind. Okay guys, I cannot see what I was doing, so I take that lemonade shade to fill my cut crease, and now I'm taking this shimmery shade. This is a lot, I know, but we will fix this. If you have seen my previous videos, then you know my hair tortures me a lot. Fine, now stop doing this and focus, Shivangi, focus. Now I'm taking that brown shade to blend everything properly. Here I'm taking that brown shade again for my lower lash line. For blush and highlighter, I'll be using Hilary Rhoda Makeup Kit 01. I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal as my liner and I create a bold eyeliner with an angular brush. For mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. Adding some highlighter on the higher points of my face. I'm wearing a nude lipstick with this look, but if you want a bold lipstick, then you can go for it. So guys, here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this, then please like, comment, share and do subscribe my channel because it makes me happy. So if you wanna check my previous videos, click on top of them. So I hope I will see you in my next videos. Till then, bye.